Well, hello everyone, it's Anita Fairy Dust Nails, and as I promised, here it is. We are going to start with a series of the holiday season nails, simple tutorials, one nail at a time on how to do some festive nail art. I'm going to start off by prepping the client's nail. This is of course just a sample nail that I've prepped. It's ready to go. And what I'm going to do is put on 2 coats of a nice deep red. The one that I'm using today is called Classic Collection C44 from Glam Pro. Let's put on the first coat. You'll see it's a very nice deep red, and I'm going to put it thin so that it cures properly. First coat is done, and we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. Now we're putting on a second coat. Second coat is done. We're going to cure this for 60 seconds as well. So on this nail, we're going to do one huge snowflake. And as you can see, the length of the nail and the width of the nail is different. So if you cut off parts of the snowflake, it does not matter. The pattern will still show. So how we're going to start off, I'm going to use a dotting tool. And of course, my gel paint. And we're going to make a big dot in the middle of the nail. Then we're going to space our dots. I put the gel on quite generously because we are going to pull a thin brush through it so that it actually forms the lines. There we go. So as I cut a lot of my brushes myself, and if I want it very, very thin, I cut the ends off. You know, or some of the hairs, I shape it to the way I want it. Now I'm going to turn it. For me to be easy, I'm turning this nail, putting down the point of this brush and pulling it through the dots. And of course, just wipe it off. And as from the middle of that dot, you pull right through the dots. The same to the other side. And the same to the other side. I'm going to cure this just for a few seconds to set it so that we can carry on with this design. Okay, so this has been cured for a few seconds, maybe 10 seconds. Now I'm going to put closer dots, close together, 2, that side, 2 there, 2 there, and 2 on the other side. Now I'm going to take the same brush that I've used just now Just because it's still wet, you can just dip the point and pull it through. Just dip your point in that little dot, put it on the big dot, and pull it through. Or take a little bit from your palette, pull it through. Just like that. So okay, now let's cure this for 60 seconds and then we'll carry on with this design. And this is now cured for 60 seconds. This is a very simple design. So what I'm going to do is take a matte top coat. This one is going to be the Satin Matte from Glam Pro. I'm going to put it over the whole of the nail. And we're going to cure this as well for 60 seconds. Make sure that your whole nail is covered so the whole nail is going to look matte. So this nail has now been cured for 60 seconds and it is matte. Now I'm going to use a gel. I got it quite a while ago. It's called Chameleon Gel from Angel. And it's a beautiful see-throughy glittery gel. I'm just going to put it on my palette, just on the side, because I'm going to use a tiny little brush to go over the snowflake design that we've done. So yeah, I'm going to put with this very small brush, I'm just going to color in all the dots. Very simple. We're nearly finished with every single dot. Then we're going to cure. And then you will see what the design looks like. Very simple for an accent nail if the client wants a red nail. I'm just making absolutely sure that I've covered all the little dots. I'm going to just cure it for 30 seconds and then I will put on another little layer over so that the snowflake is very shiny. I'm now going to put over another little bit on the dots. And there we've got it. I'm just going to cure it for 60 seconds and I'll take a picture at the end and I'll put a picture at the beginning of the video. So everyone, thank you for watching this very, very simple holiday season design. And we're going to just carry on and do simple ones every day so that we can cover quite a bit in the next few weeks.